How to buy Shong Inu token. So this token came under the symbol of Shong. And now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account. Enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see here, now before going on by this token, make sure to check this account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it's available on MEXC. You can buy it from your account on MEXC. Now I will show you how to do that. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account like that. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, in the search bar, as you can see, you can type the token name. It will be the Shong, as you can see here. Now, start click on this pair, and now we have a few seconds to load this page. Now, after that, what you need to do, now click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy. And as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you will be paying with the USDT on your account. Now click on buy Shong. If you prefer to buy with market option, you can click on market sale, and you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use with the USDT on your account. Now to be able to use it or to buy this token. So this is how to buy Shong token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.